Friday.
Okay,
What's
guys, I am really, really excited. You know, when I watch my videos back, I'm like, why do I have this face on? I'm always straightforward, straight faced and whatnot. But I'm really, really excited for this one because this has been my shop from day dot.
Oh yes, oh yeah. I was like, what are you talking about?
Dot.
Why are you excited?
Day dot.
I know.
It's so fun, isn't it? I'm actually, I'm not just saying it, I'm excited. Guys, guess the shop I'm talking about next. Who? Next is all of a sudden going on.
Yeah, I feel like there's gonna be a top
disappearing.
shop at that point.
Your baby clothes, remember?
Yeah, of course.
Everything you people own was from Next. I used to be one of those people who used to go to Next sale 6 o'clock
In the morning.
in the morning. Daddy would go and drop me.
Damn.
That's sad, isn't it?
Yeah. Like
My husband would drop me and then I'll go. And even that time that you get there 6 o'clock,
there's people.
everything is finished. You will not find.
How?
Nigerians used to
Don't buy
for
that place.
hair.
I actually remember, and they'll leave
The
it
ankles
bags.
with all the Next had polo like Lacoste shirts and things
Right,
like
yeah.
that. They're going to collect all and suits.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm happy. What's happening?
This is not ours. We've got the wrong order.
Is this Ores? Have they ordered already?
This is. Do you know why? Because the hangers. You said the hangers. I was like,
Yeah, I was saying
Why
what
is
kind
it
of
on
this
hangers?
that has been put in there? Oh man, anticlimax. Oh, that's Ores suit for. He's going for a wedding. He's a best man, so he ordered suit from Next. Anyway.